Mysteries of the Universe. Interacting Galaxies Explained. Hello, and welcome to our educational journey through the cosmos. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phenomenon: interacting galaxies. These are not just stars and planets but entire galaxies, like our Milky Way, coming together in a cosmic dance. Whether you're an English language learner or a space enthusiast, you're in for a treat as we unravel the mysteries of the universe together. Let's dive in. Before we explore interacting galaxies, let's understand what a galaxy is. A galaxy is a massive collection of gas, dust, billions of stars, and their solar systems, all bound together by gravity. Our home, the Milky Way, is just one of billions in the universe. Imagine it as a city of stars, with its own structure, history, and secrets waiting to be discovered. Interacting galaxies occur when two or more galaxies pass close to each other and exert a significant gravitational pull on one another. This interaction can lead to a variety of outcomes, such as changes in their shapes, the creation of new stars, and sometimes, the merging of galaxies into a single, larger galaxy. It's a process that can take millions of years and offers a glimpse into how the universe evolves. 1. Mergers. The most dramatic interaction, where galaxies collide and merge to form a new, larger galaxy. This can spark massive starbursts. 2. Flybys. Galaxies come close but don't merge. Their mutual gravity can distort their shapes, creating tails and bridges of stars and gas. 3. Tidal interactions. Similar to flybys, these can strip material from the outer regions of galaxies, affecting their structure and star formation. Studying interacting galaxies helps scientists understand the life cycle of galaxies, including our own. It sheds light on galaxy formation, star formation, and the distribution of dark matter. By understanding these cosmic encounters, we gain insights into the past and future of the universe. We hope this exploration of interacting galaxies has illuminated some of the wonders of our universe. These cosmic events remind us of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of space. Thank you for joining us on this stellar journey. Until next time, keep looking up and wonder about the mysteries beyond our world. Remember, the universe is vast, and there's so much more to learn and discover. Keep exploring, and who knows what other marvels you'll find.